Back into Trimble Connect. So we have our project created and then our extension turned on. So 2 places you can upload the data. You can go through the reality capture extension menu. You can hit the import button and drag and drop there. Or in the data explorer, you can just drag and drop your file here. So I have my exported file on my computer. So I'm going to go and grab that file, then drag and drop it into the data explorer. So one thing here is if your file is less than 5 gigabytes, you can just drag and drop it into the file explorer, but anything larger, you're going to need to upload through Connect Sync. So our scan has been uploaded. So all you need to do from here is select the file and tap the tile button that's in the right menu. This tiling is just going to process the scan so it can be viewed in that 3D viewer. This does take a few minutes, but you can hit the refresh button to check on that status and it'll show if it's ready or still needs some more time to process. So while that is tiling, we can go and look around the reality capture menu. So all of your uploaded scans would be listed here. You can see the status of your scan through that tiling process. And then once your scan is ready, you'll see a small preview here. Then we can jump into our settings. So this is where you can see how much storage you have used, how much you have left. There's also a list of those projects that you are using that storage with. Also, we are in the list view here, but you can switch to map view. This will display any georeference scans that you do have, and you can switch to that view using those icons at the top. Now we can go back. You see the status says that it is ready to go. So we'll select that file and then hit view in the 3D viewer. So here is our scan. We can go ahead and turn on our model as well. You can see it kept its alignment. So once your scan is loaded in, you can use some of the tools that are in the 3D viewer. So one of which is going to be the point and line measuring tool. So we can see here this piping is off. So we can pull a measurement to see the difference between the model and what the scanner collected. So another tool you can use are BCF topics. So topics are our issue and task management tool. So we can create one since we notice a discrepancy between our model. So we can create this topic and it saves the view that you have and any measurements, annotations that you have on that view. So you can give it a name, description. You can assign it to a specific user in the project. This is really useful because whoever you assign this to, they will automatically receive an email saying Holly Gould assigned you to this topic. It'll include a link and the information that you need to know about that topic. So you can see it listed there. And when you click on the BCF topic in that menu, you can open up to see the details that they provided, any attachments, images, anything like that, you can access right there. From here, you can also go in and edit the status of this topic.